Today we are in Rovaniemi, Finland to go to Santa Park. Now there are two of them, Santa Park and Santa Village. We'll be going to Santa Park to meet Santa, his elves, watch a show, decorate gingerbread, and more. But first, let's get some delicious breakfast at the Arctic City Hotel. I'll link it below. We are headed to Santa Park. We're gonna try and get a taxi because it is quite a walk from the bus station that's close to it into the park. It's a little difficult to call taxi here. It's called Taxini or something. I'll link it down below. But they don't really have Uber here in Rovaniemi. So we'll try to connect to the internet, see if we can get a taxi out there. It does look like it is 7 o'clock at night, but it's actually 2 p.m. and the sun is setting. Or 1 p.m., but the sun sets at 2 p.m. We'll see if this works. We've made it to Santa Park. This is where Santa lives, or I guess one of them. There's also, I guess, one up at Santa Village, but maybe he just visits both, so keep believing, right? This park was built in an underground bunker and has gingerbread decorating, some toys you can make, and acrobatic elves. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, it's so cool! This is kind of creepy, like entering in, you hear wolves howling and owls hooting. I don't know if we need a password to like enter the lair, but you definitely get the bunker vibes, like with this piping going up. If you come up in winter, it can be quite cold, but they do have places where you can store your jackets. Santa Mobile, except Rudolph looks like he's driving here. We had done the Northern Lights tour the night before. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. So going to an indoor space, because we were so cold from the night before, was really nice. This post office was so cute, and it's where Santa replies to all the letters sent to the North Pole, as well as you can buy your own postcard and fill it out and send it to a loved one or Santa himself. You can send postcards to Santa or postcards to other people.
Would you like to know? Postcards from Mrs. Santa.
Oh, these are the little gnomes that Dom was talking about. Hello. They have plenty of shopping and an underground Arctic Circle line crossing where then you can enter into their ice sculpture room and ice bar, just in case you needed to chill out. Come on, that was a funny dad joke. We then headed over to the cafeteria for some hot chocolate and cookies before the elf acrobatic show started. There really is a lot to do, and what is included in your ticket will take you at least 3 or 4 hours to visit.
can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
All the way from US. Here's Santa Police sent a robot to
Do my laundry and edit my videos.
Oh, he needs a robot to do that.
Yeah.
And editing my videos.
Yeah.
Okay, I do my best.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Santa. After seeing Santa, we headed over to the gingerbread decorating area, but noticed this play area where kids can go and get their wiggles out. It was kind of cute. Decorating a gingerbread cookie is included in your ticket. You just head into this office, show them your ticket and your wristband, and they will give you your gingerbread to decorate.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Gingerbread!
That is a really good gingerbread. Snappy, lots of ginger with the frosting, so good.
The line for elf school died down, so we headed in there to learn all about how to be an elf for Santa.
And this is Professor Palkka. Anteeksi, olimme niin tohkeissamme aloittamaan teille nämä oppitunnit, joten minä olen professori Palkka ja tässä on professori ystäväni Tilly. Sorry everyone for asking the question. Does anyone know an example of a kind thing to do? Yes. You could compliment someone. Oh, yes! I love compliments. Share, that's brilliant! Your family, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your animals, Santa, the reindeer, everyone. Elves believe we have to be kind to everyone. I'm going to demonstrate how we do it, but I need you to help us by counting up to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you see? Oh, no. I was doing it at elf speed. I need to make sure I do it at human speed. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that time? Yay! 1, 2, 3. Well done. Do you feel a bit relaxed? Second step is to bend our knees. Third step is to jump onto our tiptoes. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Now try and practice walking around. It's very difficult. Try not to fall over. Whoa. Fourth lesson is geography. Now as you live all over the world, we have to know a little bit about geography and where to find things on a map. Now I've heard that you learn about geography in the world too. Is that true? At school? Yeah? Now
we're going to ask you a couple of questions. Whereabouts in the world would you find the animal that hops around and it's got lots of pouch for its babies and it's called a kangaroo? Yes? Rowan?
Yeah, Australia.
Yes, in Australia!
Do you know where is Australia? You can come and show. Come and show.
Yeah!
Oikein hyvä.
After officially graduating elf school, it was time to head back to the city and grab some dinner. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend because more the merrier. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Bye.